welcome to DocArt. Hello guys, I'm DocArt, and now I will draw Spongebob Squarepants and Squidward tentacles. Enjoy the draw!
No one has any experience. Fortunately, I have enough talent for all of you. All of you. When do we get the free food?
Cheer up, Squid. It could be worse.
Yeah, you could be bald and have a big nose.
Well, this is the end.
Is mayonnaise an instrument?
No, Patrick, mayonnaise is not an instrument. Horseradish is not an instrument either. Shut your half-wit pie holes! We're stuck in the middle of nowhere with Spongebob and Patrick. Oh, why must every 11 minutes of my life be filled with misery? Why?
Oh, cheer up, Squid. It could be worse.
Yeah, you could be bald and have a big nose.
Well, this is the end. Goodbye.
Here lie Squidward's hopes and dreams. What a baby.
Hey, watch where you're swinging this. But be careful with... action, go! Go on, now the wind. And the drums. Too bad that didn't kill me. Rage, fury, irritation, humiliation. Holy fish paste! Get it off me! Get it off me! Don't you know how to work that thing?
I can do it.
It's about time you got here!
Hey, Patrick! You all ready for the big night out tonight?
Yeah, it's gonna rock!
Are you ready to go crazy?
I'm already hearing voices!
Are you ready to...
Spongebob, Patrick, do you mind? If you think I'm gonna spend more than 5 minutes on this dumpster, then you're crazy. I mean, look at this place. It's disgusting.
Is mayonnaise an instrument?
No, Patrick, mayonnaise is not an instrument. Horseradish is not an instrument either. There's something I've been wanting to say to you since the day we met. Goodbye.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification. See ya!